and we can talk to them about from 1999.
Okay.
So in 1999, we built a new building. We built 6,000 square feet, brand new.
Awesome.
It was beautiful.
It was really nice. We put a lot of thought into it, and at that time we had, when we moved into our new facility, we had 11 employees.
And so it was a big time for us. We moved in, and a month later we got flooded out by the 100-year flood. It was Hurricane Floyd, and it rained here for days.
We got 23 inches of rain, and there were 22 of it in our building.
So when we bought the property, they told us it was not in a flood zone. So we had no flood insurance.
Right.
So when we bought the building, we let's see, our mortgage was $160,000 for 6,000 square feet. Because we had to rebuild the building, buy all new equipment and everything, we had to borrow another $160,000 to get back into business. We had to borrow it from through FEMA, from the SBA. And it was a low interest loan. It was,
but it was still a loan.
It was at 6% at that time, and that was real low in 1999.
Yeah, it was.
So we did that, and now looking back on it, we say we really shouldn't have done that.
Should have just taken the keys to the bank and let them hold it.
Walked away from it.
But that's not us.
Started over. But
that's not us. That's not what we do.
Yeah. So we stayed there with that huge mortgage, and we had, we were doing churches, and we were doing a lot of churches, and a lot of our jobs were $50,000, $100,000. It was a really good time.
Yeah.
And then
it's still a good time.
Yeah, I mean it was
slower,
a lot different than now. We were a lot younger back then.
Sure, we were.
And so we did that for about 10 years, and then the recession came, and we woke up one day, and all of our contractors who had been giving us these $100,000 jobs and $50,000 jobs were going bankrupt. And so we got caught up all in the middle of that, and eventually had to leave that building because we just couldn't afford it. And we moved downtown.
And then again, yeah, but then we're back downtown. We came full circle, and then the downtown community, because we had the glass blowing studio, they welcomed us with open arms. And
so it was almost like starting completely over again.
Well, it kind of was.
It was like starting completely over again.
Because we still had the mortgage.
But the downtown was in, the recession hit the downtown really bad. Mm-hmm. And there were a lot of buildings that were empty again. Once again. Cycles around. So we found this building on Laurel Street, and we went to meet with the
owner of the building.
The owner of the building.
It was a very prominent figure in our community.
And he was the sweetest man, and he said $500 a month and you can have it. And he took the for rent sign and threw it across the room.
All the way to the back of the
threw it across the room, and you can have it. And we were so excited, $500 a month.
Oh, man.
So we stayed there for 10 years.
Yeah.
And we did a lot of things. We did a lot of things with the downtown. We had a lot of art community
Won a lot of awards.
We won a lot of awards. And so we stayed there for 10 years.
We did.
We did.
That's right.
And but that's it. I mean, and
then next we'll tell you all about the building that we're in now.
Yeah, that was a lucky find too.
It was. So. It was. It's a lucky find. Lucky find.
Yeah.